Howdy guys, today we are having a look at MiniOS Linux. It's a lightweight distro that comes in a couple of different flavors. It's primarily meant to be used as a live system via USB. Its desktop is powered by XFCE and it's based on Debian stable. Now, I've never heard of this distro until today, but I'm loving the look of their website to start with. So there's 4 versions: the standard version, the toolbox version, which comes with system tools, but today I'll be trying the ultra version, which looks like it's the all of the above version. I was also looking to try the Fluxbox version, which is apparently ultra lightweight. I'm a big fan of the green here, but it looks like the Fluxbox edition is not available as a standalone download, but only as sort of an archive. And we can try that some other time. So, onwards and upwards. The bootloader is fairly standard with language options. On the second menu, there's options for starting off where you left off or starting a fresh session. This was quite useful as I did have some trouble booting up initially. Now, first impression, love the level of polish on this distro. It's pretty standard XFCE, but it looks very nice with the MiniOS brand. As you can see, it's Debian apt based, but doesn't look like NeoFetch or FastFetch is installed. The file manager is the XFCE default Thuna. Now, I must say, I wasn't expecting a fully fledged distro given this is meant to run off a USB, but there's a lot packed into this one. Looks like we have Firefox as the default web browser. And the menu is chock full of software, stuff you won't expect most distros to come with by default. They've included the entire LibreOffice suite. I was expecting just a couple of document and spreadsheet apps. So this is pretty impressive. They should really call it Big OS at this point. Very impressed. They've even included Audacity and OBS Studio. Wow, nice one. I don't remember the last time I tried a distro which had that included. And even Blender. Wow, MiniOS have really taken the word ultra to the extreme with this ultra edition. I'm super happy with what's included in this USB-based distro. Okay, so let's wrap up this quick look while checking out the themes and appearance options. Now, given this is called MiniOS, there's so much packed into this Linux distribution. If you're here from the Windows world, looking to try out Linux, well, I wouldn't exactly. Call this an easy-to-use distro, in the same way as something like Mint or Pop! OS is. But then again, MiniOS can be run off of a USB drive with no commitment. So in that sense, maybe this is the perfect distro to dip your toes into. Definitely a 5-star distro, and easy on the eyes too. Nice work, MiniOS team. Well guys, until next time.